Are you someone who want to start an online business in 2024? Maybe you have some idea. You want to start real estate business, coaching business, consultant business, or you want to start any digital marketing agency, no matter. In this video, my friend, I'm going to share some important skill, very important skill that as a beginner, you have to learn, you have to develop over a period of time because the online world is very competitive. And if you want to remain relevant in this world, you have to start developing this skill. And this is what I have learned in last couple of years. So what are those important skills that as a beginner, as a business owner, you have to learn in this digital marketing, in this online world? So let's start our video. Number one skill that I feel is very important is the ability to create good content, engaging content. You might be wondering as a business owner, why I should create content, man? Why? See, if you want to remain relevant in this world, if you want to start your building business, if you want to build your personal branding, a content creation is very important. And today world, you cannot ignore creating content. And especially in the online world, you cannot avoid creating content. How this is going to help you? Let's suppose if you're able to create content, good content. For example, are you able to create good videos, good short videos? You're able to create good text format kind of content on LinkedIn. This all thing is going to promote your product. This all thing will help you to boost your personal branding. And let me tell you, personal branding is super important today in this digital world, in this online world. If you want to build a good business, if you want to boost your product, your sales, your marketing, personal branding you cannot ignore. Okay. And if you want to sell high ticket product, personal branding is super important. And this is all possible because of if you have the ability to create a good content. So I will highly suggest you, my friend, if you're starting the business and you're just going to start, you're just a beginner, first 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, you have to start creating content, good content, engaging content. This will definitely help you. And if you feel that you're not good at creating content, you are a shy person, you cannot come in front of camera, let me tell you, my friend, this is all your psychology, this is all your mindset. Even when I started, I had a lot of problem with coming in front of camera. I was a shy person. But you have to come out this zone. You have to feel that you're talking to a person. When I shoot my video, but I feel that I have a lot of people in front of me, I'm just talking to them. So you have to start feeling that. And you have to come out of this zone as soon as possible. If you're not able to create good content, it will not help your business, my friend. It is very important. This is number one. And number two skill that you have to develop is the funnel building process. Okay. What is funnel? Funnel is just like a process that how the people will come to you, how the people will know about you. Let's suppose you have a product, you have service. Okay, so you need a website, because in the online world you need website, maybe landing pages. You have to list your product there. But how the people will reach out to you, how the people, how the audience, how your customer will come to know that your landing page, the website, how the people will check out your product, right? So you have to build some process. So funnel building is just like a process that how the people come to you. And there are multiple ways to create funnel. For example, you can create funnel for webinar, for selling your product, maybe for appointment, for one-to-one call. There are multiple ways of creating funnel, and there are multiple tools today. I would like to talk two important tools that you can learn, you can master to create landing pages, to create your funnel, to create your website. And let me tell you, don't need coding skill. Okay, those days has gone where you need a coding skill, you should be good programmer, only then you create website. It is not like that. Today everything is drag and drop. So I would like to talk two tools which is very important, which I'm using. One is the ClickFunnels. Okay, so with the help of ClickFunnels, very easily you can create your landing pages, you can create multiple funnel, you can automate your email marketing, you can automate your WhatsApp messaging marketing, email marketing. You can automate everything. And the second tool that I'm using is called Builderall. In this tool, it is just like a ClickFunnels. Again, they give a lot of way to create website, landing pages. Okay, you can host your digital courses, you can create, you can automate your email marketing, sequence marketing, WhatsApp, everything is there. So you don't need coding skill nowadays. Okay, everything is getting automated. So these all things you should know. I know that these all things you can outsource maybe, but in the beginning If you're starting in the beginning, you should know this process, how the funnel work, okay? And depending upon your niche, depending upon the industry, which funnel will work for you, which funnel will work more better than other funnel, okay? So this is all you have to learn, you have to understand. And initially you have to, maybe you have to create by your own, but over a period of time you can outsource to maybe some digital marketer to create funnel. But initially you should know that which funnel will work for me and how to optimize my funnel so that I can make more money, I can make more profit. This is number two. And number three skill that I will highly request everybody, if you're starting your online business, to ability to create good ad. What? Yes. See, in the beginning, not in the beginning, in the long run also, you have to put ad. You have to run the ad on social media. Because if you want to, on the online world, how the people will come to you, how the people will know about you, how the people will reach out to buy something, to buy your offer, buy your product using ad inorganically, okay? So maybe on YouTube, maybe on the Facebook, in multiple platforms, maybe on the LinkedIn, you have to start running ad. And this is what I feel that if you want to start ad, then you have to be very innovative. You should know your positioning, you should know your audience, you should know your message. But because every month maybe you have to create new ad, and in my case, every month I create multiple ads, 3 ads, 4 ads. I shoot multiple videos, I create multiple graphics. So you should be in position to create multiple ways. You have the message, you should be in position to create multiple ways of innovative videos, innovative sales copy, okay? If you're not able to do that, then you will struggle. Maybe you can outsource this again to your digital marketing. They give the idea, but you, as a business owner, you should own this. That's what I'm trying to say. And I feel that if we have the idea how to create good, innovative sales copy, video copy, and ad copy or good ad, it will help you to get more customer, you will attract more people, you will get more people in your one-to-one call, maybe in the webinar call. This is very important. So this is the ability to innovate something, create something innovative, and create very nice ad, attractive ad, so that more people will reach out to you. This is number 3. And number 4 skill, which is very, very important, I give a lot of stress for every people, is your closing skill. Let's pretend you have webinar, you have a landing page, you have a product, people will come to your funnel, you're able to attract a lot of people. But if you're not able to close, if you're not able to pitch your product, if you're not able to give the great offer, people will not buy from you. It can be one-to-one, it can be webinar, it can be platform, the multiple way of closing, selling your product, right? So initially, but I feel that you must focus on this skill. And I believe that every people who are starting the online business, they should have a core skill. Your marketing skill and your closing skill, your sales skill should be your core skill. You should not ignore this, okay? If you're not able to close people, then you're going to run out your business. You're going to waste your money in the business, because if you're not able to sell people, the people is coming to your funnel, but you're not able to close, there's no money by end of the month, right? So if you want to sustain in the business, this skill is very important. And my friend, and again, I'm telling you my experience, this skill you will not master in one day. It is just like a driving skill. If you start learning driving, over a period of time, you become more experienced, more comfortable. You will feel that, okay, I can drive now. This is just like that, okay? So initially, you have to build this skill. You have to do a lot of practice, with a group practice, with one practice. And the more you do closing, the more you practice, you will feel more comfortable. But it is very, very important to master the closing skill. And if you feel that you have not good at closing skill, you need some help. That is why I have built a second income club. So the purpose of starting my business second income club is to help people, individual, working professional who just started, who have no idea how to create funnel, how to close people, how to run webinar. These all things we are helping people. And if you want to reach out to us, how to get the help, there's a link in the description box. You can connect with me. But I will give a lot of stress people who just starting, just a beginner. Learn the closing skill, man. This is very, very important. If you have no closing skill, no business. No closing, no business. This is number 4. And number 5 skill I want to add here for those people, especially for those people who want to become a coach or consultant business. In the coaching business is the public speaking skill. Yes, you got it correctly. Your public speaking skill is very, very important if you're in the coaching business. Okay. For other business like product business, SaaS business, it may be not so important, but especially for coaching business, for coaches, it is very important. Why I'm saying so? So, with experience, when I started my business, it was a kind of coaching business. Okay. So initially I was facing a lot of challenge. I was not able to connect with the audience. Okay. Though my English was good, a lot of people feel that only I have a good English, it's a public speaking. It is not like that. Public speaking is about it is more like non-verbal skill, how you your presentation skill, your body language skill, your voice modulation skill, how you connect with the audience, how to get the nerve of audience. This is all called the public speaking. So in the for the coaches, for the consultant, if you want to build your brand and if you want to connect with the audience, your public speaking skill is going to be very important. And let me tell you, my friend, this is the skill that can bring a lot of money because it's a high income skill, public speaking. So if you're struggling in the public speaking, you feel that I'm not good at speaking, you're not able to close people in the webinar, you feel that I'm not able to connect with the audience in my webinar, then you have to focus on your public speaking, your presentation skill, the skill with help you to connect with the audience. So this is what I feel. These are some important skill as a beginner: your public speaking, your sales, closing, your building funnel, your content creation. Very, very important. In 2024, you want to succeed. Your content creation ability is going to play important role. You cannot ignore content creation ability. So these are some important skills, my friend, that if you're going to start the business, you have to develop. Okay. And this will take time. I'm not saying that overnight is going to happen. It's a long-term journey. Okay. So this is all in this video, my friend. If you like this content, if you feel that I'm adding some value, you're learning something from this video, please subscribe this video. You will there's a subscribe button, there's a notification button. Just click that and it will help me to grow the business. Okay. This is all in this video. I hope you enjoy it, you like it. I will come back with more video, with more skill, more business skill. Till then, goodbye. Enjoy my content and take care. Bye.